Dang, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay, back at it again with the live trading video. But I feel like I haven't traded in so long. Like with NFP last week and then the holiday, like it was just no real good times to trade. But we're back like we never left. You feel me? Um, this month gonna be a rocky month for me trading because I uh I can only trade the AM session after today. So going forward, all of July, I can only trade the AM session. And if there's no AM session set up, then I just won't be posting any videos. Two, I'll be going to Disney World in like 2.5 weeks. So that week, if I do get a trade in the morning, I can only like do like a trade recap. That'll be on my YouTube Shorts. So yeah, with that being said, yeah, man, we're just in this trade. I had an appointment today, so I missed the AM session due to swing, but it would have hit. As you can see, we swept London High, the second red line, swept London High, broke structure on this candle right here, right? Could have got in, break a structure, stops above the high, 1 to 1.5 was hit, baby. So, again, I said every time, game of probabilities. Game of probabilities, man. I do the same type of trade every single time. I don't switch up the strategy. I just let the probabilities play out. If they play out, they play out. If they don't, they don't. I'm gonna do the same thing tomorrow. So PM session, we didn't really sweep the highs or the highest high, but we did sweep these kind of highs. So I just kind of got in. Um, yeah, we didn't sweep like the highest point. Like we swept these highs right here. And we look on the daily time frame, like we're in no man's land. We have a waypoint. We have this huge NFP gap to fill. Like, you know what I mean? It probably should come down. We're at all-time highs right now, man. But like anything, NAS and these indices can continue to go higher. But when I see my setup, I take it. Break structure. I look for three things, bro. Break a structure. I'm sorry. Liquidity sweep, break a structure, PD array, get in the trade. That's really all you need in trading is ICT concepts, bro. Like, don't make it super duper hard. Liquidity sweep, break a structure, PD array entry, get in for the trade. Let the probabilities play out. Let it do what it do. You feel me? So, um, yeah, man, that's all to it. Right now, we're in this trade. We're getting some good push. We target 1 to 1.5, which lines up with these lows down here, New York lunch lows. Um, um, yeah, the next draw on liquidity is way down here. So we'll see. Win, lose, or draw, I'm gonna do the same thing tomorrow. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's let the trade play out. Let's put on my boy Pungs and let's get rocking. I'm gonna be here chilling, doing what I does best. There's my boy Pungs. Turn this down some. Hold on. We're gonna do this. Play all. Alright. Just let the probabilities play out. I'm transparent. I'll show my losses and I'll show my wins. But I'm gonna do the same thing tomorrow. The same setup that happens right here, I'm gonna do. And also, you guys can skip around to the final, or you just want to sit here and hear me rant. That's cool too. I'm emotionless. I have no emotions attached to this trade because I think long term. I don't think on the weekly basis. I think long term. You know, 5, 6, 7, 8 months down the road, not a weekly outlook. So let's see if this gets it's pushed all the way down to our TP. No break even stops. No closing half. We just let it ride. Just let it ride. And again, you guys can skip through whatever you guys want to see. Doesn't matter to me. You can skip all the way to the very end. Don't care. I'm just documenting this journey, documenting my trades. Boom, boom. I'm doing a little one streak too, so you don't get too excited because the loss is around the corner, and vice versa if you're on a losing streak. A win's around the corner. It's a game of probabilities, dog. I say every time I'm gonna be a fucking broken record with this shit. Probabilities. Probabilities, man. So it's a game of probs, game of probs. You don't know what's gonna happen. But when you see your setup, you take it, bro. That's it. We're pushing up, probably gonna retest this fair value gap, and we'll see. If it breaks to this fair value gap, then it's probably gonna be a L. But following market structure, we might come down some, go up, and then come down some. That's just my theory. That's just my thesis. That's just what I'm thinking. I don't know. I don't know. But I mean, I think it has the ability to come all the way down. We're in no man's land. We got gaps to fill below. So we shall see. No emotions tied to the trade. Got this gap. Filled in this gap. So we're filling in all these gaps. Filled in this gap. Alright, so liquidity. Set the algorithm play on down to the downside and fill in. Grab this low hanging fruit. And then, come fill in last week's fucking NFP debauchery down here. I like not having any gaps in my zone finally. That was a pain in my ass last week having gaps in my freaking zone. So we do have clean traffic all the way down to this 1 to 1.5. I feel like it wants to push down. All right, fair value gap. You're our last line of defense. Can you be our Lord and Savior and push us down? You're in my way, and whenever I'm trading and you're my take profit, can you be our last line of defense and stop this push from going up, taking me out? Let's see. Again, whenever you're in my take profit, you be stopping the hell out of price. Okay. It's a not okay. Let's get this rejection, boys. Get this rejection. Go up there, get those orders, and come on back down. Boy got a headache and it's not feeling good. Come on, fair value gap. Stop holding me. You hold me whenever you're in my take profit. Stop holding me. Be my line of defense, please. Like, this is what I mean by you win some and you lose some. Like, the exact setup one earlier today right here. You know, break structure. Liquidity sweep, break structure, PD array, boom. So it's just a game of probs, man. That's all. I'm not liking these wicks. We can get a close below here. That should be our momentum. I'm not liking how it's not trying to push back down after bouncing off this fair value gap. Well, that's a terrible candle. What the hell? Well, thank you for everybody got for being my line of defense. You really helped me out, buddy. Thanks, bud. You really helped me out. Why can't my take profits get smashed like that? What if everybody yep my take profit? Anyway, no emotions. Again, nothing I can do but do the same thing tomorrow. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. It's finna be an L. Hurry up, take me out so I can go back to sleep. I don't feel good. Okay. Okay. Is that another liquidity grab? You gonna inverse this candle or what's going on here? You just sweep this high? What's going on here? What's going on here? Indecisive candle off of a big push. Interesting. We're barely, we're barely hanging on, boys. I'm glad I moved my stop loss a little bit higher. We're, we're barely hanging on, boys. We're barely hanging on. Bro, what? Bro, stop. Yeah, 1 to 1 wasn't even hit. We're, we're barely hanging on, boys. We're barely hanging on. Yeah, if I had my stop loss right here, it would have been still in the trade. Oh Lord, are we going to inverse this candle? hit this gap and go back up, or what did we doing? Or did you grab more orders right here? That was a nice candle to close. I like that. Oh, that's beautiful. No, close below the zone. Bro, what is going on? What the? All right, keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going, bro. Yeah. Come on. Come on with it. Oh yeah, you better not fucking switch and inverse that candle off that momentum. But you just swept liquidity. This was a liquidity sweep right here. Yeah, it wants to come on down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there's no point going on up. There's no point in going on up. Keep on coming. There you go. Yeah. I like that. I like that. Yeah, that was a liquidity sweep. Don't inverse that candle, dog. Don't inverse that candle. Don't inverse that candle. Do not inverse that candle. Keep the momentum to the downside. You guys obviously want to go lower. Stop playing. Actually, this gap is no more. Gap got fucking terminated. Like there should be absolutely no reason for them to come back up here now. Like no reason. Huge rejection, liquidity sweep, huge rejection. Like come on, Rat. There you go. You got low hanging fruit way down here. You got gaps to fill way down here, bro. Go on ahead, go on down there, boy. Do something, cause your boy kind of sleepy. And I got a headache. Come on, my boy. Come on. I'm about to chill and fucking watch some Apex videos, my boy. They shit playing. There's no reason. There's no reason to fill in that gap. There's no reason, dog. There's no reason to go up. Well, let's get that momentum. Another LQ sweep right here on yesterday's high and last week's high. Is that what we're doing on this black line? Another LQ sweep. Oh, bam. Well, I wasn't even looking. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's how we do. Straight like that, man. Let the probabilities play out. I be doing this shit in front of y'all, man. Live, bro. Live recording. Let the probabilities play out, man. Like I always say. I'm over here watching stupid ass TikToks and shit. But that's all we got, my boys. I'm gonna catch y'all. Oh, fuck. No, Wednesday and Thursday are probably no trade days. Cause remember, I can only trade in the PM. He's gonna talk 30 minutes after I. Yeah, Tuesday and Wednesday are gonna be no trade days for me. But Thursday and Friday are good to go. Yeah, I'll catch y'all, man. Catch y'all Thursday.